Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to start a video call on Discord using your PC, especially with the latest update. So, if you're ready to connect with friends or teammates, let's get started. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official Discord website. Once it's up and running, log in to your account. Next, it's time to find the chat you want to call. This could be a direct message with a friend or a group chat. Simply navigate to the left sidebar, where you'll see your list of conversations. Click on the chat where you want to initiate a video call. If it's a group chat, make sure everyone is ready for a face-to-face chat. Now, here comes the fun part. At the top of your chat window, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the video camera icon. This is your key to starting the video call. Click on that icon, and you'll immediately start the call. Discord will notify everyone in the chat, so they won't miss out on the invitation. And there you have it. You're all set to start your video call on Discord. The new update has made this process smoother and more user-friendly than ever. Enjoy your conversation, share some laughs, and make the most of your time with friends or teammates. Thanks for watching.